In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 9X to Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the Xbox console that you have, either an Xbox One, an Xbox Series S, or an Xbox Series X, you will be able to easily connect your Arctis 9X. This is because this headset was designed to be used with Xbox consoles, so connecting it couldn't be simpler. So all that you have to do is first make sure that it is sufficiently charged. Usually, immediately upon being unboxed, it will have enough battery for use. However, if you want to ensure that you will not encounter any problems and you will be able to use it for an extended period of time, let it charge for a while. You can use the provided cable to plug it into any suitable power source. Once you believe that it is sufficiently charged and you would like to connect it, all that you have to do is press the connect button on the actual Xbox console. So this button exists on all consoles, either old gen or new gen, and when you press this, you will see some sort of flashing LED to indicate that it is searching for nearby compatible devices, and then you can do the exact same thing on the actual headset. So with the headset powered off, press and hold the power button for around 6 seconds. This is going to have the same effect. So it is going to now look for nearby compatible devices, and once it finds the Xbox console that is also trying to pair, they will connect themselves, and now all of the audio being output on your Xbox console will go over to the SteelSeries Arctis 9X. It is extremely simple to use, and the only requirement is that it is sufficiently charged and that you connect it through this method. You can use a cable if you prefer to connect it to any suitable device, including an Xbox console, so you can use a 3.5mm wired connection. However, this will have its own limitations, like the microphone possibly not working. The intended way to use this headset is going to be wirelessly, by establishing a connection like this. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 9X to Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.